Hi everyone, my name is Ziwei Yang, and this project owner is Masada Sajadi. And today, let me introduce the end-use tutorials on the UI interface of Forex. Okay, now I have opened the Forex, and to find the Make Me Money. Here. This is the interface we created. M3 GUI. And here on the main interface, we set up a file columns at here. And now the first on the operation interface. At here, you can to set up your order. In the order, you can see how much you want to buy, and you can see these 2 points: stop loss and stop profit, to ensure your profit. And here you can buy or sell. We can try buy. Yeah, you can see it here. We buy this. And here is a sell limit and a buy stop. You can set up the price and here you can set this. And if you want to close the order, click here. Yeah, and you can see that the order we just purchased has disappeared. And if you want to delete the order, at here, this is delete buy and this is delete sell, and or you can delete all. And the second one is account status. And you can see the account status. And here is today's status, week status, month status, year status. And at here we can see that we have placed a total of several orders as well. And we can see at here loss order and profit order. It means which one is the several of these orders are in profit and a few are at a loss. And here is all trades, all buy, all sell, and there is here we can see the statute loss, and there is a statute loss money max, and here is a status profit and status profit money max. Next is about optimize. And because I just clicked star EA, the optimize interface is locked. So we need to stop the EA like this. And now we can change the parameters. And if we want to optimize, we need to change this for true. And they can running and change these parameters. And this this way we can change the parameters and optimize. And next is EA status. Oh, and we need star EA. Yeah, it's okay. And now we can see that this information is all of about EA, and yeah, it's here. And then there is a comment, name, status, and And here is about this the primer. Here is about the EA, and then it's about the garden. The garden. Yeah, it's here. We can see the line, and then we can remove it. Yeah, it's okay. Then at here, we put in a calendar to display the year, month, and day, and the current time. We feel that adding time can give users the time reminders. Then, in the following column, we are divided into two parts, and the part on the left is the wheel tree. We hope that we can add educators or EA directly through this interface. And the right part is the field navigator. We hope to see the fields directly from here. And in fact, the function in this part is one of our ideas. If it can be improved, I think that EA will be even better. That's all. Thank you for watching.